It's Jaden Sterling, and you may be going through a time in your life where things just seem crazy or chaotic, and you just need a little bit of support and assistance to get through this time. Well, I completely understand that, and that's why I've written the ebook, How to Manifest Something from Nothing. In this ebook, I want to share with you the things that really do move the dial in your life when it comes to manifesting an amazing life. The things that really do make a difference. And I'm also going to debunk a few myths about manifestation and how we manifest. So let's get started. Manifesting, the process that allows for ideas to morph into physical, tangible things. Simple, right? Well, it could be if you know how to go about it. However, like anything, there is a learning curve, or should I say an understanding curve. I suspect if you actually understand how manifesting works, you will easily and deliberately manifest. In this ebook, I debunk a few myths regarding manifesting and share truths about this fairly simple process that, for whatever reason, is often misunderstood and complicated. I've given countless radio and video interviews, and similar questions get asked over and over. They are, is the process the same when it comes to manifesting all things? And is it as easy to manifest $1 million as it is $1? Lastly, why do some things take longer to manifest than others? So let's start with the premise of this, how to manifest something from nothing. What is nothing? Nothing is no thing, and it is impossible to have the experience of nothing. There is no such thing as nothing, and since nothing is non-existent, we need to turn our attention to what does exist. Before energy takes form, an infinite number of potential outcomes and possibilities exist. Now stay with me, this is big. Turns out the belief in nothing is actually belief in something that hasn't been constructed by you yet. Furthermore, all possible potential outcomes exist simultaneously, which is why it's important to be deliberate while manifesting rather than allow manifesting to happen by default. Is manifesting something you turn on or off? No, manifesting is always happening by you all the time, whether you know it or not. You are in a constant state of manifesting. The question to ask yourself is, do you like what you're manifesting? If you don't, you have an opportunity to change what you manifest in your life. Let's keep going. What are physical objects made of? Before I go further, I want to disclose I'm not a scientist. Rather, I'm someone who gleans information relevant to manifesting from my non-physical team who exist in the celestial realm and refer to themselves as the One Voice. This is what I know to be true. Your senses perceive physical, tangible objects because your subconscious mind, based on previous experiences, informs you that what you see is solid. These tangible objects take up space and constitute what was originally thought of as matter. However, with advancements in science and technology, scientists discovered matter isn't as solid as originally thought. Turns out everything that is solid is actually moving and vibrating. Matter is actually made up of interacting subatomic particles that contain a nucleus of protons, neutrons, electrons, and a tiny unknown substance that are constantly in motion and vibrating. Matter is actually created from energy. Therefore, the formed is created from the formless. This is another reason why things that appear solid can change state or form very quickly. Bring to mind water in all its various states: hot, cold, frozen, fluid, stagnant, and steam. Depending on what force or energy is being applied to water determines the physical structure of water. Thought initiates manifestation. Everything you see, touch, smell, or taste started as thought. The late Dr. Masaru Emoto, in his groundbreaking work, The Hidden Messages in Water, proved that thought applied to water changed the molecular structure of the water. In fact, the more loving, kind, and joyful the thought, the more fully formed and beautiful the crystalline structure of water. Although not the first to prove thought influences the form matter takes, Dr. Emoto's photographs of frozen water droplets became known worldwide. Since then, many have conducted experiments on rice and plants and achieved similar results. You've created experiences too from using the power of your thoughts, but might not have known it. For example, have you ever thought of someone and within minutes they phoned you? Or maybe you had the thought, I desire to have more clients, and within a day or two, someone reached out to you seemingly, quote, out of the blue. Nothing happens out of the blue or by accident. Everything happens in a carefully orchestrated way, starting with you. You initiate, create, and manifest what you desire, which means at any and every given moment, you have the ability to create whatever you desire. You decide what you desire to experience always and in all ways. I'll take this line of thought one step further. You initiate and create all of your experiences, the good and the not so good. How are you creating your experiences, you ask? Well, you create your experiences by your thoughts. Just so you know, not all thoughts have the power to create. Thank goodness. After all, you have anywhere from 50,000 to 70,000 thoughts a day. And that's a lot of thoughts, don't you think? What you like? Would you like all your random thoughts to come to fruition? Probably not. However, thoughts that are deliberate, focused, and held for 17 seconds or longer invite other thoughts of similar vibration to give support to the original thought. Now, your thoughts are going places, specifically connecting in with the astral realm, which is where unlimited possibilities and potentialities exist. The astral realm is where everything is constantly shifting and changing due to your thoughts shifting and changing. This is where the invisible forces come to play with you and assist you to manifest your desires. For invisible forces to assist you to manifest your desires, you need to be clear about what you desire. That's your job. Become clear about your desires. In the astral realm, you decide what is possible for you. That is why it's important to dream big and allow yourself to explore all options during this early phase of manifesting. Thinking or dreaming small does not serve you, as the formless always takes form. It's a universal law. You are in charge of deciding how big or small your dreams are. Question for you. Right now you have a blank canvas in front of you. What will you create? And hopefully what you create will be something big for you. The etheric realm is where thoughts take form. When your original thought is joined by other thoughts of similar vibration, a strong base is formed to allow for focus and clarity. A clear and focused thought journeys from the astral realm to the etheric realm. The etheric realm allows for thought to coalesce, yet is still not fully formed. The etheric realm is most near our physical 3D world. In this realm, amplified emotion is applied to your original thought. When emotion is applied to thought, the thought shifts and becomes a desire. Desire takes place in the heart. Your heart is the most powerful manifesting organ in your body. The heart is the first organ formed within the body and gives you immediate impulses to act on. A strong feeling cannot be dismissed. It must be explored. Therefore, feelings, passion, and desire become the vehicle for which you manifest your original thought. Let me say that again. Feelings, passion, and desire become the vehicle for which you manifest your original thought. The more passionate and emotional, excited, enthusiastic, grateful, and joyful you are, the faster you will manifest your desires. Now, you must be reading this and thinking, I'm passionate about my desires, yet why is it taking so long for my desires to manifest? Which, it's a fair question. So let's keep going. Energy follows the path of least resistance. So at this point, we know everything is energy, or more specifically, vibration. You must be in the flow to receive your desires physically and tangibly. If you are not in the state of flow, then you are in a state of resistance. Resistance within you comes in the form of fear, doubt, self-sabotage, low self-esteem, and feeling unworthy. When immersed in those low vibration feelings, you are still manifesting, yet you are manifesting what you don't want. Now, you know why what you don't want keeps showing up in your life, because the universe brings you what you focus on and other things in alignment with your vibration. If you aren't manifesting high vibration experiences such as love, joy, abundance, clarity, ease, and grace, chances are you initiated the process while being in a low vibratory state, i.e., fear, lack, self-doubt, worry, etc. Think about it. Have you ever desired something of high vibration and wanted it so badly and felt like you needed it? The feeling of need creates lack, which is low vibration. There was probably a good chance you didn't manifest your high vibration desire. Now, you no longer have to wonder why. And because the universe is so literal, when you focus on something that you need, what you're saying is that you lack it. You know, you don't even have it. And the key is we get more of what we have and that which we are grateful for. So hopefully you're starting to understand how low and high vibrations can't, never line up. Kind of like oil and water. They simply don't mix. Now we need to look at how do you manifest your good. Here we go. Raising your vibration brings good things. Now, before you create a focused, clear, direct thought to send out to the universe and connect in the astral realm, you must relax and take a deep breath. Get centered, find your happy place, and then, but only then, allow for thoughts of what you truly desire to coalesce. See yourself having already achieved that desire. Now, sitting in a state of meditation is fine, but also just sitting in silence, giving thought, careful thought to what you desire, will assist you in this process. It's not difficult, but the key is to be relaxed, certainly not uptight or upset about anything. Remember, relaxation is the vibration for manifestation. So the more you're relaxed when you start this process, the better your results. So here we go. Let's keep going. Right here. If you desire a successful business, see yourself conducting business successfully and confidently, depositing large checks in your bank account, loving your full and productive schedule, and in the flow of working with happy clients. I can't stress that enough. That is so important. You have to visualize yourself already achieving the end result that you desire. Now, this part can't be overlooked. If you desire to manifest quickly, visualization invokes your subconscious mind. The subconscious mind's language is images. So we need to show it images, successful images of you already achieving what you desire. Visualization invokes the subconscious mind, which directs 95% of your behavior. This is why you behave/react/respond the way you do to most things in life, and it happens automatically. So here's the thing, to raise your vibration, to match the vibration of abundance, love, joy, perfect health, all the good things that you want in life, it is essential to feel good. Feeling good about yourself, life, your ability to manifest will assist you in this process. So next, as you visualize having already achieved what you desire and feel good doing so, allow for a feeling of certainty to wash over you. Certainty and knowing you will achieve your desire accelerates manifesting. So here's one more step. So hold on, it's big. Take guided action. Now, at this point in the manifesting process, you will receive inspiration regarding what action to take. Inspiration can come in the form of knowing or a gut feeling or sign from the universe or chill bumps or message from a friend. The ways are endless. The key is, though, when receiving inspiration to take guided action is to take notice. Acknowledge the guided message. That's so important. So notice when inspiration comes to you and then act on it. Inspiration is easy. It's effortless, natural, it's innate, and it comes from within you. Inspiration over perspiration. Now, when you act on inspiration, life will start flowing more easily for you. You will align with your innermost desires rather than try to make things happen that you really don't want. No longer will you feel the need to keep up with the Joneses or fit a square peg in a round hole. You will simply allow yourself to stay in the flow of being. When you are in the flow, everything happens more easily. When life is easy, it gets silly fun, and silly fun is the exact state at which we manifest almost instantaneously what we desire. Oh, and please remember, what you desire desires you. So to more easily bridge the gap between you and your desires, please always remember this one important piece to the manifesting puzzle. What you desire desires you. So your job is to become desirable to your desires. And there isn't anything you can't be, do, or have. Happy manifesting. I'm Jaden Sterling. If you'd like to go deeper with your ability to manifest, take a look at a product that we have called Manifest Your Dreams Now. And that can be found at www.manifestwithmasters.com. And it just is amazing information. I'm there with my friend Doreen Virtue, Charles Virtue, Sonia. There I am, and with Tommy Baylor. And essentially what I did, I created audios and transcriptions from hours of interviews that I've had with all these wonderful people. And I asked them, give me your best ideas when it comes to manifesting the life that you desire. And they delivered. I mean, it was just phenomenal. Charles went on to talk about if we are even able to manifest, if we're eligible to manifest. That was an incredible conversation. Doreen shared how her father manifested a car. She shared many stories about physical manifestations. Sonia Choquette shared how to manifest a book contract and speaking contract with Hay House. And I mean, it just goes on and on. So I'm super excited to offer this to you. There's 15 bonus products on there. Everything from a guided golden grid meditation that I recorded to allow you to manifest on the golden grid, to money affirmations, and to a 81-page home study course called Manifesting Your Big Dreams and Goals. So thanks so much for your time today, and I hope this was helpful for you. Please, in your comments below, share with me what you're focused on manifesting so that we can collectively support one another in manifestation. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.